ඔයා ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරන්නේ මෙන්න මෙහෙමද? He told me only. I'm going office now. I also can do it. That's why I didn't so. If you sound like this, that means you have taken patterns from your native language and applied it to English language. Normal casual situations වලදී English කතා කරද්දී මේ ගැන එච්චර ගණන් ගන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. අපි හැමෝම සිංහල ස්ටයිල් එකට English කතා කරලා තියෙනවානේ. But if you are in a professional situation and you have to deal with a lot of people from different nationalities and cultures, these type of sentence structures can create confusion. ඉතින් තන අනුව වෙනස් වෙන්න ඕන නම් මේක fix කරන විදිය මම සරලව කියලා දෙන්නම්. Let's take the sentence I am going office now only. Now follow this formula. Step 1, remove extra words. Delete filler words like only, no, so, itself, etc. එතකොට you get a cleaner sentence like I am going office now. Step 2, find the core sentence. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයා අඳුර ගන්න ඕනේ who is doing the action and what is the action. So in this sentence, I is doing the action, I am going is the action. එතකොට core sentence එක වෙන්නේ I am going. Step 3, add missing connectors. English needs small connecting words. For example, where are you going කියලා අහුවම I am going office කියලා කියන්න බෑ. It must be I am going to the office. So the sentence automatically becomes I am going to the office. Step 4, place the time at the end. Not every time, but usually English language places time details at the end of a sentence. So as a final step, add the now part towards the end of this sentence. So the final sentence becomes I am going to the office now. Now, practically speaking, හැම situation එකකදීම මේ structure එක apply කරන්න බෑ. But having a basic knowledge of English structures can help you identify these mistakes and even switch between different patterns as you like. But if sentence patterns are standing in the way of you clearly communicating, this issue can be easily overcome with constant practice and the correct guidance. And with the Just English.lk 6 weeks program, you will have the correct place to do so. So then, mama, go check out justenglish.lk.